Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert link in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my document in my Google Sheets mobile application. And for example, I'm going to add link to this link column. I'm going to add my first link to this cell, A3 cell. So I'm going to click on the cell and then we can click on this plus icon and we can select link since we want to add link to the cell. And we're going to add the label. For example, I'm just going to add location as the label of my link, and I'm going to paste the link I have just copied. I'm just going to paste it right here on the URL. Then we're going to click on save. Okay, and now as you can see that the link has been added to this cell, and if we click on this link, it will bring us to the link we have added. Okay, like that. Alright guys, and that's all the way to insert link in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!